Look at all them cars, guys. It's crazy. I mean, everywhere you look is cars, and it's Wednesday. That means this weekend is going to be cram-packed. By the way, welcome to the vlog! It's the beginning of the vlog. It's daylight. We're headed home. We'll be back out, but it'll probably be dark. And then we shall have fun out there. Yes. It's Wednesday today. Y'all are seeing this on Thursday.
Yeah.
But it'd be Wednesday.
Alrighty, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I'm going to show you some cars that Michael may not show you in the live stream tonight. But that's hard because I just told him not to show these cars and he did it anyway. Gosh, I love that color. I love that cross stitch. It's beautiful. That's awesome. I don't know if y'all can see that color, but it is gorgeous. Oh yeah, you can see it through my phone for sure. I love this one. I love that copper color. Beautiful. Look at this sweet ride. Dang. Look at this. I don't know what it is about this one, but I absolutely love it. That's exactly what I just said. You're gonna hear it.
That's one of my favorite.
I said I don't know what it is about this. Look at that beast. Is this like a Mach 1?
I gotta show Matthew Cottle this Mustang.
Look at this. I know. That's the first thing I walked up. What is?
I think I built that car.
Yeah, right.
Did you seriously build this car?
It wouldn't surprise me. Not one bit. He builds so much stuff.
Did you build it?
If you build it, they will come. Look at these engines on here. Dang, they're gorgeous. Beautiful and gorgeous. You get gorgeous.
Dang, son. Matthew Cottle built this car.
You are kidding.
About the dash.
I said it. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I said, is this a Mach 1 as soon as I walked up? And it's going to be
Real
a video.
Mach 1 304 speed.
53rd annual Indianapolis 500 mile race. Wow, how cool is that? Gosh, this one's awesome. What is this? It's very short. It's like the size of a Mustang, but it's not a Mustang. It reminds me of like a, I can't think of it right now. That's what Snoop always drives. In the 90s and the rap songs. What are those called? Blue is a popular color lately. I've seen a lot of blues out here. They're beautiful. It's almost like a purple blue. So pretty. Look, y'all, it's the Whitakers. Oh man, here is the jackpot of nothing but awesomeness. Wow. Look at all these cars. Wow. See, even Even these are starting to get the color blue. So pretty. Golly. That is unbelievable.
Look
It
at
flames.
Look, no, it's wood.
Look in the front.
Yeah, that's wood.
It looks like it's on
Those
fire.
are nuts.
It looks like it's on fire.
Look at it.
That is beautiful. Through my camera and the way it was glowing, it looked like it was on fire. Wow.
Dude, this thing is sick.
I love the beds. I swear,
at
the
it.
beds are, it's one of my favorite things. To come back here and see what they've done. I can totally see Michael getting sucked in there. It's a critter getter. He's gonna suck him right on it. So I'm gonna take a record of this. Me and Michael were talking about this the other day on the live stream. How quick that crosswalk sign goes away. I'm gonna wipe my camera though so you can see it better. Hold up. Oh yeah.
Look at this thing. I've always wanted one of these. Look at this. Look at that.
Yes. Love those. Oh, okay, it's turning red. Now, you see the red hand. Watch, let's go.
Oh.
See? It's flashing. All ready to stop. I'm not even across yet. How are you supposed to make it that fast?
Never too late. Do all them things. Becca, you say some buys.
Goodbye.
And you say 23 skidoos.
I say 23.
Guys, we'll see you tomorrow. What's today?
Wednesday.
We will see you Friday.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
Yeah.
Love you, Carla. Thank you.
Lots of cars this weekend.
Lots of cars.
We have barely showed you the tip
Any
of
of
the
them.
iceberg.
Man,
if you
I
like
mean,
these cars, come back and we'll show you more.
They're going to keep piling in all weekend. So, anyways, we'll see y'all Friday. 23 skidoo.
We love you.